Oh, hey, good morning. Have you seen the weather outside? Come check it out. It's a total beach day. What do you say we make sure that we've got everything we need for the beach and make our way over? Let's go make sure that we have everything. Watch your step. So I've got everything that I think that we need for the beach laid out here on the bed. First of all, we've got our backpack, and we're gonna place all of these items inside of the backpack before we leave. To wear at the beach, we've got a tank top, a bathing suit or a swimsuit. To protect our head from the sun, we've got a hat. To protect our skin so that we don't get a sunburn, we've got sunscreen or sunblock that we can put on our hands and apply to our skin. To protect our eyes, we have sunglasses. To make sure that we stay hydrated at the beach because it's going to be really, really warm, we have water inside of a water bottle. We have a beach blanket that's folded up nicely right now in case we end up lying on the sand instead of on a beach chair. We'll have this beach blanket that we can lie on. For after we get out of the water, when we're wet and we want to dry ourselves, we have a small, fast drying beach towel. We also have a wallet that we're going to bring so that we have money to buy food and drinks if we're hungry or thirsty. For electronics, we're going to bring our phones. We're going to bring our AirPod Pros so that we can listen to something if we want, listen to music. This is a portable battery, so we're going to bring that in case our devices are low on power. And we also have a charging adapter, a charging cable. We're going to bring a book to read in case we want to read. And if it's not too windy on the beach, we can also play with the frisbee. We can throw the frisbee to one another. And the last thing that we need is our sandals, or we can also call them flip-flops. So that's what we'll wear to the beach. And we're going to take the scooter to the beach. So let's get everything all packed up into this backpack and head out to the scooter. Let's go. Okay, so this is my scooter that we're going to be taking to the beach today. Before we start it, obviously going to get it on, do a couple quick safety checks, make sure that our mirrors are adjusted correctly, make sure that the brakes work. They do. Now we're able to start it, and we're ready to go. Hop on. Okay, so this is the awesome beach club I was talking to you about. It's called the Dolphin Kitchen and Bar. So before I give you a little tour of the place, we can use these change rooms right here to change into our swimming shorts and tank tops, and then I'll give you a little tour. So let's get changed. Okay, now that we're more comfortable and in our swimwear, I'll give you a little tour of the place. This is the parking spot for our bike, where we just parked it right here. They've got a pool table here, a pool table if we want to play pool after. This is the bar you can order drinks from. You can also order them down at the beach. Let's head down to the beach and I'll show you where we can sit. Watch your step. They've got a shower right here. For after you get out of the ocean and you want to get all the salt water off of your body, you can use a shower. And let's find a place that we can sit. They have loungers in the shade because they're protected by this umbrella. So these loungers, these sun chairs are in the shade. These ones are in the sun. They're not in the shade because the sun is hitting them directly. Personally, I favor sitting in the shade. So let's find a couple of chairs that are in the shade. Oh, look, there's two right here. 1, 2. Will these do? This is the menu for this restaurant. And we can, from this menu, we can decide on what we want to drink. I think you said that you wanted a coconut coffee. So we're going to get you a coconut coffee. And I think I'm going to get a coconut, a fresh coconut. So yeah, now we're just going to have to wait for the guy to come by and we'll flag him down. How are you?
Yeah.
Can we just get one coconut?
One coconut cafe.
And one coconut coffee, yeah. Please.
Awesome, thank you.
One coconut coffee. One coconut. So this is the coconut, and this is the straw that you drink it with. This is the straw. It's really good, and it's really cold. This is one of the most famous things you can get in Vietnam, coconut coffee. It's coconut ice cream with a shot of, I think, like espresso or some sort of Vietnamese coffee. And then you kind of mix it up and you drink it. And it comes served in this glass. So try it. Let's go take a little walk down the beach and see what we can see. So right now we're walking on the sand in our sandals or flip-flops. There's 2 dogs, a black dog and a brown dog, and a third dog. There's 3 dogs on the beach. To my right, you can see the ocean or the sea. And in the distance, you can see islands. You can see islands in the distance. The sky here is blue. We have blue skies with a few clouds. But over here, it's very cloudy. We have a lot more clouds. Here in the distance, we can see people swimming and playing in the ocean. And it looks like it's gonna rain. So I think we should leave and go home and cook some dinner. Yeah, I'm ready, let's go. Follow me.